up? My name is Siege. Welcome to my popping training series. Before we get started, I want to make sure you know what to expect from this video. Number one, this video is designed specifically for poppers who want power in their arms. Number two, expect your muscles to be sore. If you do feel the soreness, that means you're doing it right. If you're not feeling soreness, maybe you should try a little bit harder. The duration of each drill varies from drills to drills, so use a time bar to monitor your progression. Number three, make this a daily ritual. Only by consistently training and working out your arms will you get the results you want. Have fun with it. Challenge yourself. Number four, all right, do not quit. Make a commitment to yourself that when you start the video, you're gonna go all the way from the start to finish. Finish the video all the way through. Finish the workout, finish the training all the way through. No matter how sore you think you get, you're gonna finish. Commit to yourself right from the beginning, because in the middle of the video, I see so many students, so many beginners, they quit in the middle because there's nobody giving you accountability. There's nobody checking you. I'm not there to check you. Nobody's there to check you, only you. So I want you to commit to yourself. Do not be a quitter. See it all the way through, and you're gonna get the power and you're gonna get the pop that you want. All right, guys, enough talking. Let's get ready to pop.
see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. There you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. They